So this is where
That
stuff
makes
gets impressive and it gets scary as well. So it looks like
yes.
it's intelligent because you're writing something down and you're asking it to translate it, or you're asking for an explanation of it. But in reality, you're very likely not the first person to ask this to the LLM, and it's very likely that it has been trained on it. So when any machine learning model, not just an LLM, is presented with an input, in this case a prompt, that has been part of a trained data set, is going to memorize what is the output. So it is if it has seen that before, it's going to copy the answer from its parametric memory into the output. But also, it is very likely that if it hasn't seen it before, it's going to be able to generalize if the input looks like something that resembles a task that it has been trained on. Does that sort of make sense?
And what about healthcare, for example? You are working, right? Training models
Mhm.
just to be able to understand, I suppose, super complex things, right? Because they haven't seen, it's not a translation only. It's like they had to understand a process, they had to give you results. So what would be your feedback about that? What is the thing that surprised you when you were doing this job?
Healthcare is like a very broad domain, and like something that surprises me is how in narrow part that I have been working, it is very good on learning how to distinguish between complex, confusing information that might appear on a
Mhm.
specific medical text.